The assumption is that this was a helicopter that may have been engaged with ground fire, somehow crippled, ditched, its crew then rescued, and then these rebels turned up with this American-supplied weapon, which the soldier has just fired there, and in a few seconds you'll see the damage that it does. You look to the slight left of the screen, you can see a light trail, which is the rear end of the missile as it approaches this, what I think is a disabled, there it is on the left, just to the left of the helicopter. And that is an anti-tank weapon being used on the relatively soft skin of what I strongly suspect, we don't have empirical proof yet, but I think is a downed rescue helicopter sent in to try and find these pilots. So a double blow to Russian aviation, and a sign that as far as the rebels are concerned, they are literally going to take no prisoners when it comes to dealing with those elements in the air, whether they're the Assad regime or the Russian government that are bombing their military locations, but in the case of the Assad government especially, deliberately targeting huge numbers of civilians with barrel bombs.